Have you ever wondered how an engine actually works? Well, this is a great hobbyist collection that you can use, that you can get. Now, this one does have batteries that you require because the actual contact of the metal in the bottom, if you guys can see that, has beautiful details on it. Once you make that contact, you can see the rotation of the engine in details. And this is beautiful for as a gift. Adults, kids, all ages. This is great to have. Like, I can see the rotation of every single part in the engine. You can see in detail how the airstream is going to rotate and going through the actual system, where actually the exhausts are in the back. Now, this is meant to cut in half to see the inside and outside, but you also could have this in your office as a piece to when people come in, they could see it. It gives you a beautiful ambience if you're a collector of any kind of hobbyist of airplanes, jets, so forth. So I like that it just comes easy that you can just turn it on. People are gonna get curious just to see how it works, and this one's a great thing. And the whole thing's included. If you guys can see, is well detailed, well fine made. And of course, I love the different colors. It tells you the front, and you can even see how that rotates. So, not bad. Great gift. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.